Hi everyone, it's Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use LOFT command in AutoCAD. To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from Civil Engineering Tutorials. Also like this video in case you find it helpful. So let's get started. So first, we need to switch to 3D modeling. Switch to 3D modeling. Now change the view to southwest isometric view. Change the view here to southwest isometric view. Now I'll create some objects. First I'll create a rectangle. So shortcut key of rectangle command REC. Enter. Now specify first point here and second point here. I'm not giving any specific dimension. Now I'll create a circle inside the rectangle. Again I'll give offset distance. Again I'm not giving any specific distance. This much distance I'll give offset to inner side. Now I'll move these two circles into upward direction. Move. Specify. Click here. Again I'll move this circle. But all three objects should be on same different planes. On same coordinate. Okay. So three objects are in different planes now. You can see these three objects are in different planes but coordinate is same. So here I'll use LOFT command. So select LOFT command here. Select LOFT tool on modeling panel. So this is LOFT tool. So here it's asking select cross sections in lofting order. Okay, we have to select in lofting order. So we have three objects. Select. This is first. This is second. You can see this is third. So we have selected three objects. Now you can see we have created this object by LOFT command. Now double click. Now I'll change this to shaded. You can see the object now. So we have created this object by LOFT command. You can see this. So object is created according to lofting order. This is the most important thing. You can see. Now just undo this. So again I'll use LOFT command and I'll change the lofting order now. Select LOFT command. Now I'll change the lofting order. So select. This is first. This circle second. Now this circle is third. You can see the difference now. Now double enter. So you can see the difference. Go to shaded view. You can see. So we have created this object by LOFT command. So we just changed the lofting order. Now this object also changed. Hope you understand how to use LOFT command, how to create object by LOFT command. So if you changed the lofting order, the object is changed automatically. So next I'll show you another example. Select polygon. Now 6 number sides. Now specify center point here inscribed in circle. Now click. So we have created this polygon. Now I'll create a circle inside the polygon. Go to settings. We need to. This is geometric center. Now we can mark the center. So create the circle here. Now I'll create a rectangle. So this is the rectangle. Now I'll move these objects in upward direction by keeping this in same coordinate. Move this. Now move this circle. All 3 objects are in same coordinates, just they are in different planes. You can see this. Now I'll use LOFT command here. You can see all 3 objects are in different planes now. You can see here. Now select LOFT. Now select cross section in lofting order. So this is first. This is second. Now select the third one. Now double enter. So I have created this object. Hope you understand how to create an object by LOFT command. So you can change the object by changing the lofting order. So hope you understand. Now I'll copy this. Select copy to. I'll copy to this side. I'll show you. LOFT. Select this. First, second, third. Enter. This is I have created. Again I'll change the lofting order here. LOFT. This is first. This is second. And this is third. Now double enter. You can see I have created these 2 objects by LOFT command only by different lofting order. Hope you understand. These 2 objects are created by LOFT command with different lofting orders. Now I'll create a rectangle here. Now give offset distance. Suppose this much. I'll use LOFT command here. Move these 2. I need to keep the coordinates same. Move this in upward direction. Now here I'll use LOFT command. LOFT, select this rectangle first. This is second. Now press enter. So 3D roof is created like this by LOFT command. Hope you understand how to use LOFT command. So next, I'll create a circle here. Again, I'll create another circle inside this circle. Again, I'll create another circle here. So I've created 3 circles. Now I'll move this circle to upward direction. Now this circle to here. Now these 3 circles are in different planes but coordinate is same. Now locked. Now first this is second and this is third one. Now enter. Now you can see this arrow. Now click here. Now we have so many options here. So click here. You can see here. So you can change this. You can change the shape of this. So this is ruled. This is smooth fit. This is rule. You can see. So by click on the arrow. Now this is smooth fit. So here you can change this object to different shape of geometry. Click here. You can see. Now this is normal to all section. This is normal to start section. This is normal to end sections. You can see here. Now this object is in different shape of geometry. You can see. This is ruled. Now here this is smooth fit. Like this you can change the shape. Now this is draft angle. So select draft angle. So as soon as you select draft angle, you can see 2 arrows here. You can see 2 arrows. These are 2 extra arrows. Now select this arrow. You will get this draft angle spinner here. So click on this arrow and change the draft angle according to your requirement. You can change the draft angle here according to your requirement. You can see here I am changing the draft angle. So this is the draft angle spinner. So you can change the draft angle according to your requirement. This side also click here. So this is the draft angle spinner. Now click here and change the draft angle according to your requirement. You can change the draft angle according to your requirement. So this is draft angle. Hope you understand. You can change the draft angle and you can change into different shapes. Now select, this is 1, 2, this is 3. Enter. Click here. These are options. Select the draft angle. These 2 arrows. Select here. This is draft angle spinner. Change the draft angle. This side also you can change. Click here. This is the draft angle spinner. Click on this arrow and change the draft angle according to your requirement. So like this you can change the object into different shape. Now you can see we have changed the shape of this object. You can see here I am showing you by 3D orbit. I have changed the shape of the geometry by draft angle. Locked. This is select first, second, this is third. Enter. Click here. Select draft angle spinner. Again click on this arrow, change the angle. Again you can change on this side. Click here and click on this arrow and change the draft angle. You can change the draft angle according to your requirement. Means you can change the shape of the object according to your requirement. Click here and change the geometry. Change the draft angle and the shape of the geometry will be automatically changed. You can see now we have changed this. We have changed the shape by changing the draft angle. Alright. So next, we'll discuss about guide and path option. So go to top view. Now first I'll draw a rectangle. Now go to left view. Now change the view on coordinate. This is XY. Now create another rectangle here. Now go to home view. Go to back view now. So now I'll create another rectangle. Now change the view on coordinate. Go to top view. Now create another rectangle here. So we have created 3 rectangles on different planes. Now go to home view. You can see I have created 3 rectangles on different planes. Now I'll make a guide curve by using SP line. So I'll use spline to make a guide curve. You can see we have 3 rectangles here on different planes. Go to top view. Now select spline. Now take the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Click on midpoint. Now 3D orbit by orbit. Turn this. Now click on midpoint of this rectangle. We need to click on the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Click here again. Click on midpoint of this rectangle. We need to take midpoint. Now enter. Again this side we need to draw another curve. Take spline, midpoint. Now click on this midpoint and this is last. Click on this midpoint. So we have created 2 guide curves. So go to home view. You can see. So we have created, you can see, we have created 2 guide curves. Now I'll use LOFT command here. Select LOFT. This is the first rectangle. Select second rectangle. Now select third rectangle. Now you can see this is making a loft along these 3 rectangles. You can see here this is making a loft along these 3 rectangles, but we want it to follow this guide curve. Exactly this guide curve. It should follow exactly this guide curve. So now it's making a loft along these 3 rectangles, but we want this to follow this guide curve. So enter. Select guides. Now select the guide curve. It's asking select guide profiles. So select first line. This is the guide profile or guide curve. Select this profile and select the second profile. Now press enter. Now you can see, as soon as I have selected, you can see loft is following exactly the guide curve. You can see now lofting order is following exactly the guide curve, and the object also created according to guide curve. You can see. I have applied LOFT command according to those 3 rectangles, but as I have selected guide curves, so now this is created according to the guide curve. Now this is following exactly this guide curve. You can see here. Now I'll create a path here. Create here, draw here, again draw here. Create a path by spline. Okay. Now I'll give LOFT command. Select this rectangle, and select the last rectangle. Now you can see this is making a loft along these 3 rectangles, but I want it to follow the path. Path means I have created the last line. I want this to follow the path. So press enter. I want this follow to this. This is the path. I have created this path. So press enter. We want it to follow the path. So press enter. Now select path. Now select the path profile. So this is the path profile. Select this profile. Now you can see. Now this object is created according to path. This is following the path. So this is guide curve and path. Guide and path. So hope you understand how to use LOFT command. So you can use LOFT command like this. If you want to move the direction, if you want to, you can do. So this is all about LOFT command. You can see now I have given LOFT command. Now it's created. So if you like this video, thank you for watching.